In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image scroll with the site in Wix Studio in 2025, step by step. Whether you're building a personal blog or designing a sleek business website, having images that scroll naturally with your content can add that extra touch of professionalism and aesthetic appeal. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's start by opening your Wix Studio editor. Once you're there, navigate over to the menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Add Elements. It's your gateway to all sorts of creative additions you can make to your site. From Add Elements, you'll want to move into Media and then choose Image. This is where you'll upload or select the image that you want to incorporate into your website. If you've got an image ready to go, simply upload it here. Or, if you've already got media stored within Wix, take your pick from there. Now let's place that image right onto your page. Choose the specific section where you want your image to appear and drop it in there. It's important to consider the flow of your page at this step. The placement of images can significantly impact the visual pathway that your visitors will naturally follow as they scroll through your content. Once your image is on the page, we need to ensure it scrolls smoothly and naturally with the rest of your site. One of the golden rules here is not to pin or fix the image to the screen. This might be tempting if you want your image to stay in view, theoretically, but it can disrupt the seamless scrolling experience you aim to create. Instead, let your image sit within the normal flow of your page content. This ensures that as visitors scroll down your page, your image moves up naturally along with the text and other elements around it. And that's it! By following these straightforward steps, you've managed to integrate an image that scrolls beautifully with your page content in Wix Studio. This simple yet effective technique can significantly enhance the dynamic aspect of your website, giving your visitors a more engaging and polished browsing experience. Remember, the key takeaway here is focusing on maintaining a natural flow to your content, one that guides your audience effortlessly from one section to the next. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in elevating your website design skills. Enjoy experimenting with images and creating beautiful, seamless experiences on your Wix site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy website building!